Hi, this is Jatin Bosle from Embedos Engineering. Today I am going to show you a demonstration of our EB device which is a 3.2 HMI. So in this application we have this single channel analog input monitor and then set point architecture on top of it. Now this device is connected to this analog input simulator that acts as a simulation for a sensor, and the input is then monitored on this channel 4 as we can see here. uh, Now as the input is varied, different set points are triggered as seen, indicating number 1. Now when the second set point is crossed, uh, the second lamp is triggered. The same data is also reflected in this text box that shows the current reading. Now let us go and see how to configure this device. So this has got a menu that is password protected. This password is also settable. Uh, Now once we get into this menu, we'll see the device settings. So first, of course, we can select the analog input channel among the 4 channels that are available in this device. So in this case we've selected channel 4 because that is where I've connected this analog input simulator. We have 4 set points, and then we can select the adjacent digital output for each of those set points. So the device has total of 6 set points and we can configure them as per our requirements. And this is the digital output selection menu, and then this is where we select the password for the menu. And the device also comes with Wi-Fi, so this can also send data on MQTT and stuff. Now let us go and check the parameter settings. So in parameter settings, the first option is calibration, wherein we have multiple options of calibrating the input channel. So whichever channel is selected into the analog input channel selection option, so that channel is will be calibrated. Uh, then this is options for selecting the set points. So we of course have total of 4 set points. So let us try changing the set point from 1000 to 1500. So we just have to select the option and type 1500 and press on OK. Now here we are asked to select the configuration, the set point type, which is either normally closed or normally open. So normally closed configuration means that the circuit would be closed below the set point, and when the value crosses the set point, the circuit would be opened. Now default configuration initially was normally open, so we'll just try changing that to normally closed in this case, and just go back to the main page and see. Now because this first set point at 1500 and the value is below that, that is why the first input is on. When I'll increase this value above the set point, the lamp gets turned off. While on the other hand, the second set point is normally open, which means it stays off when below the set point, and when the value crosses the set point, it gets triggered. So this is completely settable, so then we can customize the set points as and how we require them in the application. Also we have option for setting hysteresis uh, in order to avoid uh, fluctuating of signals. Here we select the range of our output, and of course we can also rename the parameter and its unit that is reflected on the main screen. And this option here is to view all the configurations that we've just made. So just in case we need to check what the device is currently configured to, this is where we have to come to. And this level, which is the parameter name, and which is the unit we've given, so this is also completely configurable. Also this gives different colors in different regions. So even if somebody is not paying proper attention, they can understand which set points are crossed and which are not crossed just by looking at the color in the indication. Now the device comes with Wi-Fi. So here we can see Wi-Fi is currently connected. So if it is disconnected, it will show that Wi-Fi is not connected. And we can also go to the same menu for updating this to the latest firmware. So we can just go into view configuration, and this is the current version, that is version 1.0.1. So whenever there is a new version of the software that comes, user will have to just go to device settings and then click on this update firmware option. So this update firmware would basically check if there are any new updates available. If they are available, the device would get updated. If the update is not available, if you are already on the latest version, it just restarts the device and then you have it working once again. Yeah, so that is all, and this is just one of the possibilities that you can do with this amazing 3.2-inch HMI based EB device. uh, Thank you so much. This is Jatin Bhosle signing off.